this video, you will learn how to assemble and install an inside variable angle panel. Here we have 3 different clips. The first clip is used in the inside variable corner version, which we'll be using in this video. The second clip is used for an outside variable corner, and the center clips are used in both variable angle versions. To assemble, prepare your white vinyl tape strips. Then insert the flat clips into place at both ends of the panel. Then tape the sides down. Use the same method for the center clips. Insert and tape down. Place your center clamps with the flat ends facing down. Insert and hand tighten the hardware throughout the center of the clamps. Then return and tighten with a ratchet to finish the assembly. To install the inside variable angle panel, place next to the existing wall panel and fasten. Then slide in a mitered bottom rail and secure. Continue adding modular wall panels as needed. In this demo, we are using a 12-inch and a starter panel. Here's a quick tip. For tight areas, you will need a right angle adapter to drive in the screws. Finish the installation by adding a top rail and secure in place. Adjust the panels to the desired angle, and you've now completed an inside variable angle installation.